everyone, and welcome back to another video. I got a shipment in from Simon Says Stamp. I'm not sure if this is the December card kit or if it's the special holiday kit. But so let's see. And oh, and it has a few things that I ordered too. Let's look at this. This is not a. It's just a thank you card. I thought it might be a coupon code, but it's not. I got some Yupo paper, and this is in the white. It's not the translucent. So Yupo paper. I got this ultra fine antique gold embossing powder from Simon. I thought that was really pretty. I got a Marvy jewel picker. I've been wanting a jewel picker. I finally remembered to order one whenever I was ordering. I got some Nuvo drops. I was trying to get some more Christmassy colors. I got autumn red, which I think I already had autumn red. Oh well, Mom, you may get autumn red. And let's see. This is woodland green. I think that's going to be a really pretty green for Christmas. Okay, let's see what the kit is. Oh, this is the Christmas kit, which I do believe is already sold out, but I will link to as many products as I can that are sold individually. Okay, there's some Stickles in here. They package everything really well, which is a good thing because last time I got something liquid and it had leaked. So I was super glad that they are so great about their packaging. Oh, look how pretty this is. It's green, but it's got other colors in it too. It's really pretty. I think it's called Festive right there. See it? This one is Tinge. It's like a champagne gold and a champagne gold. And this is red with other colors in it too, like some green in it. And this is Joyful. Those are a little bit hard to read. Okay, got another Simon Says Stamp clear embossing pad. Always good to have backups of those. Looks like we got some ribbon, probably some May Arts ribbon. Their ribbon is super nice. And this is just a shimmery green ribbon. So, set that aside. Okay, we also have some sparkle tape by Darice. And this has a liner on it. It is sticky, so this is great for putting on your envelopes, is what I use a lot of that for. I believe this is a little Tim Holtz doodad, and you can paint these. Candy cane. Okay, this I was really excited to get the Ephemera pack from Tim Holtz Idea-ology, Christmas Noel. So let's look at this. Love Tim Holtz stuff. Okay, it's got these neat little tickets. Love, love, love the poinsettia. This is so cool. Love that. The December 25th, that's really cool. Little to and froms, like postage things. That's really pretty too. A tree, that's neat. Parcel post. Some little signs. Hand, okay. Some more 25, so another bigger tree. 25, special delivery. That's really pretty. Very vintage look to it. Compliments of the season, that's cool looking. A whole little calendar. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. More little tickets. I guess those are like train tickets, I think. Some unusual little stuff. A smaller hand. Christmas exhibition, now open. Toy Emporium. Chocolate. Probably French. kind of cool. Okay, another parcel post. Joy to the world. I heard the bells on Christmas Day. Very cool. Icicles for decorating Christmas trees. Very vintage looking. The Christmas spirit. Oh, neat Santa. Like that. Thing about sugar. Peppermint. That's neat looking. It's very vintage. Another kind of Santa. See his pack there. Lots of fun stuff. Very vintage looking. That too. Santa Claus snow. A whole little calendar from 1917. Kind of cool. Paramount. Merry Christmas. That's neat. I like that. It's got the 2 in the front. Use that as a tag. It's like a little postcard. An ice coupon. Oh, look at that package. That's really pretty. Oh, I like that too. Telegram. That's neat. Christmas menu. That's cool. Another icicle thing. Another special delivery. So that is the ephemera pack called Christmas Noel. Okay. There's a bunch of little tags. So 2 big craft, 2 big white, 2 small white. Some little envelopes. These are so cute. I love these little envelopes. A couple of 4-bar envelopes in craft. And then a couple of A2 or 3 A2 size envelope, and that's metallic. I love Simon's metallic envelopes. They're so pretty. And then you get a white and a red. And then here's the paper that's in. It's double-sided. Oh, I really love that red snowflake. Oh, those are super pretty. Ooh, love the plaids. Ooh, that's kind of cute. I like that white on the craft. Really super pretty. Love that. Oh, and that background stamp just so happens to look like that paper. Oh, look at the peppermint. Like that too. So you get this full background stamp. So it looks so pretty embossed in gold. Like maybe this antique gold that I got. That looks super pretty. This is the poinsettia background. So that doesn't have to be poinsettia. You could use that any time of year. And you got this very large 6x8 stamp set. Look at that big snowflake. That is so pretty. Bunch of different sized snowflakes. So you can make a whole like snowfall scene or just you know, stamp a background. Very cool. I love this Merry Christmas and this Joy. The Merry and the Joy has a plaid look to it, like a buffalo plaid. Really cool looking. You stamp that in black and then color the little other squares that have the lines through it in red. That would be really cool. Mistletoe, some really pretty ornaments. Love those. That's the extra greenery to fill in. Good tidings of comfort and great joy. Let it snow. Happiest holidays to you and yours. Merriest wishes for your Christmas. Merry and bright. There's a from, so I'm assuming that there is a to somewhere. I'm not saying. Merry Christmas, peace on earth for you. Meet me under the mistletoe. Oh, there's the to right there. Holiday blessings. I really love this stamp set. This is awesome. It is called Comfort and Joy. Oh, and that's what the kit's called. Comfort and Joy. Okay, and you get some Simon cardstock red and green and white and some Nina Desert Storm. Okay, so this is the holiday kit, Comfort and Joy. Lots of fun Christmas stuff. Okay, so if you don't know how kits work, because they always, especially the really cool ones, sell out like almost immediately. So the way kits work is if you sign up for the subscription, then each month you get to look and decide if you want to get the kit. So if a kit comes across that, you know, you don't really think that you'd use the stuff in it, you don't have to get it, and you still have the subscription. And so the next month, when you get the email, then you just decide if you want to pay for the kit and get it or not. That way, these really cool special kit, the monthly kit, you won't ever miss out on. Now, these special kits are not part of the subscription, And so you just have to watch for these. And if you sign up for Simon notifications, they will send you an email when these go up for sale. So that's how I found out about it, and I immediately ordered it right away because I knew it wouldn't last long. But anyway, so that is my haul and the Comfort and Joy holiday kit from Simon Says Stamp. I will see you soon in another card video.